huge clearance deals plus other buy one get one free deals at the Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. Alright, to start here, guys, we got the buy one get one free. These are killer deals. Got the grease gun, the sweeper blower, the grinder, well, yeah, the 4-inch angle grinder, the die grinder, the hammer drill, the impact driver. Yeah, this is one of the strongest. That one actually beat the Milwaukees and the DeWalts in some categories. So yeah, they got the buy one get one free. You buy the starter kit, basically get a free tool for $119, around $119. Killer deal. 2 batteries for $79. These are 5 amp hour quality batteries. You guys know these are Samsung cells. Both of these tools brands, they do carry that. You guys don't know, these are one of the best out there. The Warrior shanks there, the socket adapters. These are the newer tools that they just added to the buy one get one free. The brushless circular, so 7 1/4. Reciprocating saw and the impact wrench. 2 batteries for $79. These are 4 amp hour high output batteries, or high performance that they call them. I just call them high output. You got the fan cooled dual voltage, and then we got the ultra torque, guys, down to 189. You got the high torque for 159 with the anvil. So yeah, definitely check these out. These are really powerful tools. But check this out, the one that's really cheap and you're getting 1,000 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, 129. It's already proven itself over the over the YouTubes. All right, so $69, $69.99 for this 6.5 circular. So I would definitely go for the brushless for the other one that you buy one get one free. Check this thing out, 14-inch concrete saw. I actually did a project where I had to go rent a tool. I should have just bought this one, and I would still have the tool. Yeah, I wish I would have known. That tool was so cheap. I could just use a coupon or something, a 10% coupon, and get it even cheaper. Anyways, you got the universal surface. There's a whole bunch of new accessories available for Hercules, like this little precision rotary tool. And then you got really nice accessories kits. Yeah, these are really nice. These are huge. You guys could use coupons on these all the time. They come with coupons. One thing I recommend is these hammer demolition SDS Max and SDS Plus. I do recommend the Bauer and the Hercules. Even if you're just doing 1 or 2, the tool pays for itself. It does pay for itself. I do have several older videos, like 4 or 5 years back, where I'm taking out tile with the Bauer one. It's one of the cheaper ones, the one that is like $89. And I'm like taking tile off of it. I'll see if I can link the video. It's really old, so I do apologize for the quality, but yeah, I am using that thing, and that thing's working great. One thing that amazed me, the size of this thing. Check this out, 124. This is a huge angle grinder or cut tool there. All right, so buy any of the 2 tools for $99. There's a lot of good ones, especially that brand nailer. The angle grinder is brushless. The impact driver is brushless. A circular saw is brushless. Impact wrench. There's just a whole bunch of tools. One had the reciprocating saw, jigsaw. All right, these Bremen tools, these clamps, I do recommend these things. These things are a beast. I do have one of the plastic ones, just the handheld ones. Those work pretty good. These are the new planers, the Hercules and the Bauer. Actually, the Hercules, I believe, is the newest one. So this one's $369, and then $429 for this one. Guys, make sure on these bigger ticketed items, make sure you guys wait for a sale like this. This one's $5.99 down from $6.99. This thing's huge. I wish I had the room to have this in my house. I really do need one of these, because you never know what you're gonna end up drilling. If you guys doing construction or landscaping, these are great. These are compactors. $6.99. I believe they do come with the Predator engine, so that's nice and beefy. These are the new Bauer cement mixers. These are $2.99 on sale, and these are the older ones. I don't know if I should go with the older one or the newer one, because I do need one for around the house. I do a lot of concrete here. Alright, you got the dual bevel miter saw 172. This is not a slider, by the way. This is just a dual bevel miter saw. It is a 12-inch Hercules. I didn't even know they made this one. I thought they just made the slider one, but I guess they do. And then they got the Bauer one. So this is the same thing, but Bauer. And then 12-inch miter saw for 108. This is the clearance section, by the way. You got another one here, a nailer stapler flooring, 97.49. You got some more nailers here. Coil sliding nailer for 136. You got a pocket jig for 39. It's missing the bits. I'm pretty sure you can get it lower than that. And this is the older Bauer impact wrench, which is not good. But this is the Ultra Torque. I ended up picking this one up for the channel because it's an open box, and why not just try it out? It's cheap for 151. So we'll put that in. Let us know in the comment section which tools you want to see that against. And then you got the nailer. And guys, if you guys have any of these tools and you think these tools are trash, or these tools are phenomenal, they work pretty good, let us know that in the comment section, because other people want to know what these tools are, if they're worth it or not. If I have the tool and I've used the tool, I'll let you guys know. If I hear anything positive or negative, I'll let you guys know. But I just can't. I don't own all these tools, by the way. All right, so you got, one thing I do own is this one. This one I owned it for about 5 years, and guess what, guys? It doesn't work. But why it doesn't work? Because I ran it over with my trailer. Yeah, that's the reason why that thing doesn't work. But yeah, up until that 5 years, let me tell you, it was sitting outside in the sun, and that thing was producing energy. It wasn't producing 100%, but trust me, it was producing pretty good, a good percentage. All right, so these are the kind of like the Milwaukee style fastbacks. These are actually a little bit cheaper, so pretty good deals if you guys want those styles, especially the color. You got a 2000 PSI. Now, I haven't tested these myself, and always do buy it when it comes on sale, guys. Don't buy them when they're regular price, because Harbor Freight, they'll play with their little, with the prices, and they'll go up and down and stuff like that. So always make sure you guys follow the item, follow the price, and if there's any coupons out there, or any 20% off or whatever, jump on them, because that's the time to get. Or parking lot sales. When they have their parking lot sales, let me tell you that they'll get some good deals out there. All right, these are nice bits. And then you got a jack table here. A hydraulic table, they call it. $199. It's on sale, down from $249. Check the size of this thing. This thing's massive. Now, I thought mine was big, and this thing is even bigger. This thing's massive. It's 4,400 psi, 4.2 gallons per minute. I believe mine's 3,400 psi. But yeah, this thing's massive. I couldn't. Check out the pump on this thing, heavy duty. Yeah, some pro level tool here, and these engines are solid. Let me tell you, I do own a couple of these engines on different tools, and they are solid. This is $1,099. Like I said, I always wait for a sale, or make sure you guys get this with the coupon. Here's a smaller one, 3,200 psi, comparable to the one that I have, $449. A pretty beefy as well, not as big, but yeah. And then these Nigeria backpack sprayers. These are great for weeds if you guys got bigger properties. $49.99. Now, I haven't tested them myself, but Nigeria seems to be a better brand that Harbor Freight put out. So, and stay away from these yellow batteries, guys. Do not, even for free, don't even get those batteries. Those batteries are trash. Go with the blue ones. Yeah, blue ones are solid if you guys could get those in a deal. And I didn't know they sell rechargeable batteries. I think I'm going to invest in something like this and try them out for you guys, see if they're worth it or not. But these are pretty cheap for $7.99, even if you can get them with the coupon. Guys, we got the Braun and the Icon lights. I'm really digging this Icon, this 800 lumen at $39.99. The one on the left seems to be that I'll be losing all those parts, so I'm not going to bother with that. But yeah, the ones on the right, the Braun and the Icon, definitely check those out, especially if you got a coupon. All right, so this one's on sale with the member Inside Track Club, $139. I know I'm showing you guys a lot of Inside Track Club. This is the the famous winch that every YouTuber, off-roader YouTuber is using. Matt Off-Road and Recovery. I watched their channel for. I've been watching their channel for a few years, but they've been using these, and I guess it hasn't left them down. I don't know. I don't know. Let us know in the comment section if you own one of those winches, and or any of these tools that I show on this video. We got this one. Check this one out. This is a compressor. This is a 30-gallon compressor with the gas engine. It is mountable for a truck under $2,000. Yeah, check out the size. Oh, clearance, guys. Whole bunch of clearance. Let's go over. Let's start with the left and move on to the right. All right, we got $110 for this brushless quarters 20-volt miter saw. We got some chop saws here. Metal chop saws, $84.49 for the Bauer. And then $110 for the Hercules. So these are pretty much, I would say they're identical. A lot of these tools are identical. You got a drill here for $41. You got an inverter here, so 1,000 watt inverter. $23.99 for this polisher. You got a fixed base router, 2 horsepower. $41 for a circular saw. I believe this one's brushed. You got a Cobra, some sort of security system there, $167, and then you got a finished nailer there on the back. What is this? A coil sliding nailer, $136. A roofing nailer, $87. So a lot of these nailers are pretty good, guys. I used the older ones, and let me tell you, they were old and everything, and they still worked pretty good. $139 for this Fortress. This is top of the line of Harbor Freight's quiet compressors. Check out the Badlands, guys. There's a Badland winch here for like, what, $244. I was thinking of getting that for my truck. I don't know. Maybe a good winch vice or something. I should get, you know, a good. We got $15.39, guys. Down from like, what is this, $2,500? It's down to $1,500. Then we got this one for $314. Now this one seems to be brand new. It's just a little dirty, but the one, actually the bigger generator, the one to the right, this one seems to be barely used. It seems like they just returned it for, you know, they just used it for a couple weeks maybe, and they returned it. So yeah, $1,500 down for like 2,000 and something. These are huge generators. Definitely recommend these generators, guys. These are solid. We got the off-road jacks, the Badland off-road. Make sure you guys get those with the coupon. I know sometimes they can be a little expensive. $239 for this low profile Super Duty. It's on sale. Really nice jacks. Harbor Freight's. I really like what Harbor Freight's doing with their jacks. This is an 2,000 pound capacity low profile for $299. And then you got a capacity heavy duty ATV more lift jack for $239. You got the toolboxes, guys. These are really nice toolboxes, $499. The only thing I don't like is the latches, but I don't know. Nobody said nothing negative about these, but I guess they do work. You do have to flip them to the side and they open. You got some nice space there. Now these, however, these are solid. Definitely recommend these. These are carts. These are 5-drawer carts. Wait, for a sale, they do come around the $200 range. But check out the generator, guys. That's how much this generator is. It's $2,500. It's a 9,500 watt super quiet. So yeah, that's a big discount. Make sure you guys talk to your managers. Maybe they'll get you a nice discount even on top of that discount. So $899 for that generator. That's a 3,500 watt. And then the newer one, this is the newest dual fuel generator. It's 5,000 watts. This one's $10.99. Make sure you guys get this with the coupon as well or on sale. Yeah, these are really, really nice dual fuel. It's probably the best generator you could buy. Stay away from that gas, right? Anyways, that's it for today. Let us know in the comment section what you guys think about this video, about these tools. Did you like any of these tools? Would you want to get any of these tools? Let us know in the comment section. That's it for today. You guys have a great rest of the weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.